Alright, welcome back to another video. We're going to create we're going to demonstrate the second, I think, this very option, this very number, copying from an existing table, copying from an existing populated table. If a table is being populated and I want to copy from it, how do we do that? But you see here, I need to copy the table. I need to create the table first, and then I will copy the existing data. So I think here we're going to do one thing here. I need to create the table first. Create the new table, or create a new table. Then copy into it. Then copy into the new from the existing, right? Table. I think this is correct, because the table, this is the table, the first table. I'm to copy from existing into what? Into the new. Then I will have to create the new table first. Then I will copy into. But not necessarily. It depends on maybe how the environment, what you do working. Probably you have the table already, and you just want to copy into it. But for our own case here, that's what we're going to do. So please look into here. This is our database, and these are the tables we have. The table we have is only one. So I want to create another table. There is another MySQL command that says create like, right? Create table like. For example, I want to copy. Let me just say enroll. Let me say enroll. I want to create another table called enroll. So let me come down here and I'll write create table enroll. Let me write this enroll. Okay. Then like what? Like this what? This is the old table. So you create new table from like what? The old table. Then if you run, you're going to see it here. Show tables. Can you see enroll? But this enroll is what? It is blank. There's nothing in it. Right? I only copied the structure. But anyway, let me see. I don't know whether it does. But it's supposed not to copy anything, because it's just the structure I copied like. Okay, it has even copied it in. But okay, this is enrollment, right? It's supposed not to, I think. It is just the what? It is just the structure. But the content, nothing is in. So how do I copy content from another table into one table? This is now the syntax. Look at the syntax here. First thing is I have to select everything that I want to copy. If it is all I want to copy, enrollment, I have to select everything. If you run this command, it has shown you this, right? Then, but this is not my aim. My aim is to insert it into what? Enroll, is it? Which is blank. Then I will just say insert into and what? Enroll. This is the work. This is subquery. We call it subquery. Two queries attached. If you look at it very well, actually it has violated the rule of what? Insert into values. Because these are the values. So you don't need to mention any value. These are the values. Values from where? From the populated table into. So now let's run, and then let's check from enroll. Can you see? So this is what? Inserting from an existing populated table. So we see two kinds of methods. One is insert statement, which is what? Which is this very one. This is the insert statement. Insert into this very one, right? This insert into values. Second one is what? The second is what? Copying from an existing populated table, which is this. And you see it? This very one. This you now write insert into, then you select from the table, and then it populates. The only thing is you have to take care of number of columns. If you are selecting two columns, you have to make sure that you have two columns in the table, in the new table. If you're selecting the whole columns, you have to make sure that you have same number of columns there. And I think we have to stop here and we continue tomorrow. Thank you.